Meet Page Builder Sandwich, the front-end page builder for WordPress that allows you to create any design you want without writing any piece of code. First, write your content. Just click and start typing. Then, choose from a list of familiar tools to make your content come to life. Change colors, background images, spacing, add buttons, whatever you need. Sometimes you don't want to design from scratch. Use our professionally designed elements to save time. You can further personalize the designs to make them perfect for you. And when you're done, just click Save and your design is good to go. This is a revolutionary page builder unlike anything before. One which will truly change how you design and create your website. This is Page Builder Sandwich. Get started today.